The amazing RustOff Laser Cleaning Machine from AM.CO.ZA was introduced into the South African market in 2021 and has been at the top of its game ever since. The RustOff is a handheld laser cleaning machine that removes rust, paint, grime, and tarnish from metal surfaces quickly and effectively. It is a contactless, eco-friendly, portable cleaning system that thrives in the world of unparalleled efficiency and precision, and makes use of the renowned Raycus laser power unit for low maintenance and extremely long lifespan expectancy. The RustOff is available in 220 volt or 380 volt laser power option, and now comes standard with a 20-meter long cable for extreme mobility. And the readily available consumables, replacement parts, and technical support are all part of the RustOff trademark. That's right, RustOff is the unique trademark of this remarkable machine, and it even has its own web domain, rustoff.co.za, so beware of imitators and knockoffs. Go straight to rustoff.co.za for all the information you need on the RustOff Laser Cleaning Machine, or contact am.co.za, the owner of the RustOff brand, for more information.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. am.co.za. Achievement matters.